Hello, welcome back. Hello, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you how to use order by and rank function in Spark. So let's get started. Like always, I have defined this data frame, and you can see that this data frame contains a couple of columns like asset, platform, unit, trade name, buy date, buy price, and sell price. And also I have different rows. To use the order by function, you can simply write df.orderBy, and you can write call buy price, for example. So I'd like to order by the buy price in a descending order. If I write show, this means that to order by the columns by the buy price. So if we see that the rows are sorted by the buy price and they are in ascending order. Of course, we can also order by multiple columns. So for example, I can write $sign instead of the call. You can use also the $sign, and I'd like to order by the sell price, and again descending order. So based on the combination of the buy price and the sell price, we can see that the values are sorted. Normally, the order by can be used with the combination of group by. For example, I'm writing df.groupBy here, like, for example, asset, platform, and I'd like to perform an aggregation, like, for example, sum of buy price, then rename it as sum buy price. And at the end, I want to order by the values by the custom aggregation which we have performed, like order by this custom sum by price, like in a descending order, and I'd like to show the results. You can see that I have used different commands one after another, like group by, then I used an aggregation, then I used the order by, and then I used the show. So if I press enter, here, this shows me this asset, platform, and the sum by price, because here I used in the group by the asset and platform, and in the aggregation I created a statistic sum by price. And then here you can see that it shows it in a descending order. Of course, we can also add another column here, like per trade name. Also, if I shift enter, you can see that per asset, platform, and trade name, I will be having the sum by prices, and it's ordered in a descending order. Now I'd like to show you how to use the rank function. In case you have not watched my previous tutorial on the partition window, please watch it. For using the rank function, I'd like to use again the window function, and this is a very useful function, and you may require to use it for filtering a couple of rows based on the ranking. For importing the window function, I'm writing import org.apache.spark.expressions.window. I'm importing this window, and I'd like to define custom partition for using the rank. I name it custom partition rank, and I'm writing window partition by, and I'd like to use the asset column as well as the platform column for the partition or for the ranking of the rows. In this regard, I'd like to order by, also to add the order by, like the sell price. Here I'd like to order by the sell price. I'd like to order by the rows by the sell price, and I'd like to do it in a descending order. If I shift enter, I have defined this custom partition. When using this window.partition by column, we specify a couple of columns in which we can use to base the calculation. Again, here we can also append other things like order by, and we would like to in the end order by the rows based on a specific column, which is here sell price. I create another data frame which is resulting df, and I use this data frame, and I'd like to create a new column which is kind of showing the rank of the rows, and I name it rank col. I'm using the row number function, and I'd like to use it over row number over a couple of columns, and here I'm using this custom partition rank. Let me show this resulting df here. These columns are related to the original data frame, which is the df, and we are here creating a new column named rank col, and we apply this row number which shows the row number, and it used this over custom partition rank, and actually it gives to each row of the data frame a number based on basically in this asset and platform, and based on the sell price it gives a number. So actually it considers these two columns, asset and platform. On descending order of sell price, it gives a rank number to it. So for example, if I consider stock and eToro, you can see that in a stock and eToro 250 has the highest value, and then the second one is 85. So we have the rank of 1 and 2 here. And if I consider stock and plus 500, this is another category of values which we have here, and you can see that this value 48,000 has the rank 1, gets the rank 1, and again 4,000 gets the rank 2, and so on. So to explain you the difference, I'd like to add, for example, trade name here. If I add a trade name here, the ranking will be different, I believe. Here I need to add a $sign. So you can see that most of the values have the rank 1 because they're existing one time in the data. Like stock plus 500 and sand exists only one time, so most of the things get the rank 1. Only we have stock trade name Amazon 2 times, so it will get the values like a rank based on the sell price here 4,200. Let me show you another example. So for example, if I remove the platform and trade name and I shift enter here, you can see that only the sell price will be ranked. So for example, the highest values of sell price is coming from 48,000 here, and it's getting the rank 1, and again 4,000 rank 2, and so on. So we have considered only this asset column, and then we have ranked it. Or for example, if I write platform only here, I believe there should be a different rank here created. So if I say platform, you can see for the platform plus 500, the values like this rank col will be 1, 2 for this 48,000, 4,000, and so on. And again, for eToro, we will have 1 or 2. You can also change this order by different column. Like for example, instead of the sell price, you can say, okay, I'd like to rank it based on the unit. And if I shift enter, the result would be different. So for example, on the plus 500, the highest value belonging to 0.68, the next value would be 0.6, and you can see that 0.68 gets the rank 1, 0.6 gets the rank 2, and so on. So you can see that now this unit column has been considered for giving a row number or a rank to the rows, and the value is also all sorted based on descending order. Let me write back the previous value which I put here, like asset and platform. I'd like to use it like this, asset and platform, and shift enter. Now we have this resulting df again, and now I'd like to use the filter function together with this created rank to show you how useful this rank function could be for your calculations. Here you can see that we have values of 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in case you want to keep only the ranks of 1 or 2. Right after it, you can write filter rank call, then you can say I'd like to have it less than or equal to 2, and if I shift enter, your final data frame would be like this, meaning that you have removed the ranking of 3, 4, and so on. So you can see that how I used this row number or the rank function together with the window function and then filtering function to basically give a rank value to different rows and then filter out the values and just keep the intended values which you require.